Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and specifically to tell you to never do bicep curls like this. I'll be showing you a specific thing that I see, or I have seen when I used to work out at the gym. Now I just work out at home, but when I used to work out at the gym 7 days a week, I would see people do this, and you should never do your bicep curls like this. So I'm actually going to sort of angle the camera downwards. I'm going to pan it down with some high editing skills, some heavy duty editing skills over here. I'm going to grab my weights and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. So essentially, wow, this lighting just makes me look absolutely jacked. Anyways, what I'm talking about is two specific things. The first thing that you should severely avoid doing when doing bicep curls is leaning back. So I see a lot of people, they'll be doing curls and they can't get it up and they're like, and you know what? You finish the curl, but your form is horrible, and you're gonna put some serious strain on your back and your various muscles that you don't want to strain. Okay, like basically things that you're not supposed to be using when you're doing bicep curls. So leaning back is the first thing. The second thing, the second aspect of this is actually raising your elbow, or as I said, unlocking your elbow. So when I see people lifting like this and then they bring their elbow sort of forward and up like this, what you're doing is you're changing the range of motion. You're changing the sort of the angle of I guess it would be the angle of pivot, and what you're doing is you're harming your form. Okay, now essentially the proper way to do a bicep curl would be very, very simple. Okay, as long as you have your back straight, your posture straight, and as long as you keep your elbow locked in, you just curl it up like that. Very simple. Keep your elbow locked in as much as you can. A little bit of movement is totally normal, but because you gotta actually move your arm, right? Depending on the size of the dumbbell you're using too. And the good thing about using proper form is you can basically supinate, I guess the term is, your wrist or your hand. You can do whatever you want. And as long as you keep your elbow locked in and your posture straight, then essentially you're doing a good quality bicep curl. So I can do hammer curls like this, right? I can even, incorporate more forearms by keeping my wrists like this. As long as I keep that elbow locked in place, okay, I am going to be doing proper bicep curls. So as you can see right here, just like this. Very simple. Elbows locked in, okay? And just for the record, I used to do dumbbell bicep curls with 45-pound dumbbells for 15 reps, okay? So like now I got a dad bod. I have 4 young kids, so working out basically rarely happens. But before, when I was like 16 to like 22, okay, I learned a massive amount about proper form. And essentially, your proper form, you don't need to spend an hour in the gym. You don't need, honestly, you literally need to spend just like if you do like 10 to 12 sets for a muscle group, you can leave the gym and you're gonna be really, really built. You just have to use proper form. That's literally it. Push your arm, push your muscle group to the point where they're pumped and where they're sore, and you gotta use proper form. That's it. You don't need to do 20, 30 sets. No, come on. Are you serious? You don't need to. You can of course, and you can get bigger, but if you just want a good physique, you only need like 12 sets per muscle group per workout. And if you're working out 7 days a week, you just need 12 sets each day, and you're ready to get out of there. But yeah, that's it. Never do bicep curls like that. Leaning back or unlocking your elbow, honestly, two of the worst things that you can do. And not only did I show you how to not do bicep curls, but I also showed you how to do them properly. And that's it. Like I said, I know, you're looking at me, you're like, why is this guy telling me how to do bicep curls? I know, I don't look like I know what I'm doing. I get it. But back in the day, I was actually really, really ripped. And I did it while still working 40 hours a week all throughout high school, college, and university. So like all throughout school, I was working 40 hours a week and I was ripped. Okay, literally, and I had a social life. Just because you gotta know what you're doing. It's that simple, and I'm here to help you with that. So that's it. If you like this video tutorial, whatever kind of video this was, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.